right, it's Vermentino time. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Cassara, and we are here to help you know more and drink better. And it's Vermentino time. This is exciting because Vermentino is a really, really underrated white grape that people should be drinking more of. And I'm here to hopefully show a couple of good ones and get people out of just drinking the same old Sauvignon Blancs. These Vermentinos are really cool because I don't need a corkscrew. I just need to open this sort of beer-like top and a little screw top. So let's start by getting these open. So hopefully this doesn't explode all over the place. That was easy. And then let's open this guy. The glorious, glorious crack of the twist off. So Vermentino as a grape, it's grown mainly in Italy and France, but also quite a bit in California, which is where both of these are from. So the wine on the left is the 2016 Tendu. It's from the Mathiasen family. They're really well known for Chardonnays, so you probably are familiar with them. And then this wine over here is a 2019 Vermentino from the Amphora winery, one of what I'm going to call, they're my friends. Full disclosure, they sent me this bottle just because they're great people. So hopefully the wine will be as good as the folks at the winery. Vermentino, like I said, is going to try to get you out of wanting to drink Sauvignon Blanc all the time. Vermentino is going to be light and citrusy and kind of have some floral notes and have a good amount of acid. So it's going to be really great with fish, seafood, salads, any sort of poultry, and or just like a really nice sunny day, kind of like it finally shaped up here. 2016, 2019. So what I'm going to do is start with the newer one, and oh boy, pelicans are flying today. All right, let's see how this guy expresses itself. I have in an official Florida term, I have the yellow fish. That means it's time to drink some Vermentino. So this is, it's as light, it's a little citrusy, more peachy, but very clean. Almost has a bit of a saline note. I don't know if I'm getting it because I'm here by the water or if it's truly in the wine. So that's really, really clean. There's definitely some tartness at the end, more like an orange. So I did say citrus, but it was more peachy, but on the palate it definitely comes across as orange. I like it. I mean, I have yet to have a bad bottle of wine from Amphora. This one is no different. Really nice. I can't sneak up on anybody with these, with the little fish indicator. All right, 2016 Tendu, another Vermentino from California. You can tell it's a little darker right off the bat. I don't know if that's gonna mean it's a little more full body, but if we think about Vermentino from like the light end of the scale to the heavy, it's gonna be between light to medium body. So if you think about Sauvignon Blanc, Vermentino's very similar in weight. Oh, this has more of a honey aspect to it. Getting a peach note again. Definitely more. There's actually more California Chardonnay-like in some ways. It's another good one. I like that it comes in a 1 liter bottle. That's pretty cool. I guess the bottom line is, you need to be drinking more Vermentino, right? Get out of your Sauvignon Blanc routine. Go drink some Vermentino. I think it's funny, this one, originally I would say, well, if you like Sauvignon Blanc, drink some Vermentino. With this one, I'm almost saying, like, if you like Chardonnay and you want something a little lighter, you can drink some Vermentino. So you'll go from the light end of the spectrum to the heavy end of the spectrum, go down the middle, replace your white wine with Vermentino, and that's about it. Good stuff.